Chapter number 1, Reproduction in Organism. Each and every organism can live only for a certain period of time. The period from birth to natural death of an organism represent a lifespan. Lifespan of a few organisms in given number figure point 1.1 and several other organisms are drawn for the which you should find out their of lifespan and write the space provided. Examine the lifespan of organism represented in the figure number 1.1 and it is both interesting and grieving to note that it may be short a few days or long few thousands years. Between these two extremes are the lifespan of most of the living organisms. You must note that lifespan of organisms are not necessarily correlated with their size. The size of crow and parrot are not very different. Their lifespan show wide difference. Similarly, a mango tree has much shorter lifespan as compared to people tree. Whatever be the lifespan, death of every individual organism is a certainty. That is, no individual is immortal except single cell organism. Why do we say there is no natural death of single cell organism? Given this reality, have you ever wondered how vast number of plant and animal species have existence on earth for several thousands of years? There must be some process in the living organism that ensure this continuity. Yes, we are talking about reproduction, something that for granted. Elephant's lifespan 60 year, rose lifespan 5 to 7 year, dog 15 to 20 year, butterfly 1 to 2 week, crow 15 year, banana tree 20 to 25 year, cow 20 to 25 year, parrot 140 year, crocodile 60 year, horse 60 year, fruit fly 1 to 2 week, rice plant 3 to 4 month, tortoise 100 to 150 year, banyan tree 300 to 400 year. Reproduction is defined as biological process in which organism give rise young ones, offspring similar to itself. The offspring grow, mature, and turn produce new offspring. Thus, there is a life cycle: birth, growth, and death. Reproduction enables the continuity of species generation after generation. You will study later in chapter number 5, principle of inheritance and variation, how genetic variation is created and inherited during the reproduction. There is a large diversity in the biological world and each organism has evolved own mechanism to multiply and produce offspring. The organism habitat, its internal physiology, and several other factors are collectively responsible for how it is reproduced. Based on the whether there is a participation of one organism or two in the process of reproduction. It is the two type. When offspring is produced by a single parents with or without involvement of gamete formation, reproduction is asexual. When two parents opposite sex participate in the reproduction, the process and also involve in fusion of male and female gamete is called as sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. In this method, single individual parents is capable to producing offspring. As a result, the offspring are produced are not only identical to one another but also exact copy to their parents. These are offspring likely genetically identical or different. The term clone is also used to describe morphologically and genetically similar individuals. Let us see how widespread asexual reproduction is among different group of organisms. Asexual reproduction is common single cell organism and in a plant animal relatively simple organization. In Protista and Monera, the organism are the parents cell divide into give rise a new individual. Thus, in these organisms, cell division is itself mode of reproduction. In many single-cell organisms reproduce binary fission, where the cell divide into two half and each rapidly grow into adult. That is amoeba and paramecium. In east division is unequal and small bud produce that remain attached initially to the parent cell, which eventually get separated and mature into the yeast organism cell. Under unfavorable condition, the amoeba withdraw its pseudopodia and secrete a three-layer around the hard covering or cyst around itself. This phenomena is termed as encystation. When favorable conditions return, the encysted amoeba divide by multiple fission. The produce many minute amoeba or pseudopodiophore. In the cyst wall brushed out, the spore is liberated in the surrounding medium. To grow up into the many amoebae, this phenomena is known as sporulation. Figure number 1.3, asexual reproduction structure, zoospore of Chlamydomonas, conidia of Penicillium, bud in Hydra, and gemule formation in sponge. Figure number 1.4, vegetative propagation in angiosperm, eyes of potato, rhizome of ginger, bulbil of agave, and leaf bud of bryophyllum. Offset is the water hyacinth. Member of kingdom fungi and simple plants such as algae reproduce through a special asexual reproductive structure. The most common of these structure is zoospore. These are usually microscopic motile structure. Other common asexual reproductive structure, Conidia, Penicillium, bud, hydra, gemule formation, sponge. Have you learned about vegetative reproduction in plant in class 11th? What do you think? Vegetative reproduction is also type of asexual reproduction. Why do you say so? It is the term of clone applicable to the offspring formed by vegetative reproduction. While in animal and other simple organism term as asexual used by unambiguously. In plant term as vegetative reproduction is frequently used. In plant the unit of vegetative propagation such as runner, rhizome, sucker, tuber, offset, bulb all capable of give rise a new offspring. These structures are called vegetative propagules. Obviously, since the formation of these structure does not involve into two parents, the process involved in asexual. Some organism, if the body break into distinct pieces, fragment, each fragment grow into a adult and capable to producing a offspring. Example, Hydra. This is also mode of asexual reproduction is called fragmentation. You must have heard about scourge of the water bodies or terror of Bengals. This is nothing but aquatic plant water hyacinth, which one of the most invasive weed found in growing water. This is nothing but aquatic plant water hyacinth is one of the most invasive weed found in growing wherever there is standing water. It drains oxygen from the water which leads to death of fish. You will learn more about in chapter number 13 and 14. You may find interesting to note that plant was introduced in India because its beautiful flower and shape of leaf. Since it can propagate vegetatively as a phenomenal rate and speed all over the water body in a short period of time, it is very difficult to get rid of them. Are you aware how the plant like potatoes, sugarcane, banana, ginger, dahlia cultivate? Have you seen a small plant emerging from the bud called eyes of potato tuber, from the rhizome of banana? Ginger, when you carefully try to determine the site of origin of new plantlets in a plant listed above, you will notice that they are invariably arise from the node present at the modified stem of this plant. When the node come in contact with the damp of soil or water, they produce a root and new plants. Similarly, adventitious bud arise from the notch present at the margin of the leaf of Bryophyllum. This ability is fully exploited by gardener and farmer for commercial propagation of such plant. It is interesting to note that asexual reproduction is common method of reproduction in organisms that have relatively simple organization. Like algae, fungi, they have shift to sexual reproduction just before onset of adverse condition. Find out how asexual reproduction enable these organisms survive during the unfavorable condition. Why this season reproduction is favored under the such condition, asexual or vegetative as well as sexual mode of reproduction is exhibited by higher plant. On other hand, only sexual mode of reproduction is present in the most of the animal. Sexual reproduction involves in formation of male and female gamete either by same individual or different individual of the opposite sex. These gametes fuse to form a zygote which develop to form a new organism. It is an elaborate, complex and slow process as compared to asexual reproduction because fusion of male and female gamete sexual reproduction result in the offspring that are not identical to their parents or among themselves. A study of diverse organisms, plants, animals, fungi, so that though they differ in greatly in external morphology and internal structure and morphology, when it comes to the sexual mode of reproduction, surprisingly they are shared to similar pattern. Let us first discuss. Let us first discuss the what feature are the common of these diverse organisms. All organisms have reached to the certain age of the growth and maturity in their life before they can reproduce sexually. The period of the growth is called juvenile phase. It is known as vegetative phase in plant. This phase is a variable duration in the different organism. The end of juvenile phase or vegetative phase, which is the mark the beginning of the reproductive phase, can be seen easily in the higher plant when they are come to flower. How long does take a marigold, rice, wheat, coconut, mango plant come into flower? In some plant where the flowering occur more than once, what would you call interflowering period, juvenile or mature? Observe few tree in your area. Do they flower during the same month, year after year? Why do you think availability of the fruit like mango, apple, jackfruit, etc. in seasonal? Or there are some plant flower throughout the year, some others show a seasonal flowering. Plant is the annual, biennial type, so clear-cut vegetative, reproductive, and senescent phase. But in the perennial species, it is very difficult to clearly define this phase. A few plants exhibited by unusual flowering phenomena rate. Some of them, such as bamboo species, flower only once in their lifetime. Generally, after 50 to 100 years, produce a large number of fruit and dies. Another plant, Strobilanthes kunthiana nilkurenzi, flower once in a 12 year. May you would know this plant flowers during September October 2006. Its mass flowering transform large tract of the hilly area in Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu into the blue stretch and attract the large number of tourists. In animals, the juvenile phase followed by the morphological and physiological changes prior to active reproductive behavior. The reproductive phase is also variable duration in the different organism. Can you list the change in the seen in the human being that are indicative of reproductive maturity? Among animal, for example, bird, they lay egg all through the year are the seasonal phenomenon. What about other animal like frog and lizard? You notice that bird laying in the nature lay egg only seasonally. However, bird in capacity as a poultry farm can be made a lay egg throughout the year. In this case, laying eggs is not related to reproduction, but also commercially exploitation for human welfare. The female placental mammal exhibit by cyclical changes, activities of the ovary and accessory duct as well as hormones during reproductive phase. In non-primates, mammal like cow, sheep, rat, deer, dogs, tiger, etc., such cyclic change in the during reproduction are called estrous cycle. Where primates, monkey, ape, human are called menstrual cycle, and mammals, especially those living in the natural and wild condition, exhibit such cycle only during favorable season in the reproductive phase, which difference is called seasonal breeder. Many animals mammal reproductive activity throughout the reproductive phase and hence called continuous breeder. That we grow old and if we live a long enough something that recognize but what meet growing old the end of reproductive phase which can consider is the one of the parameter of senescence phase or old age. There are concomitant change in the body and slowing metabolism etc during this last phase of the lifespan old age ultimately lead to death in In both plant and animal, hormones are responsible for the transition between three-phase interaction between hormones and certain environmental factors regulate the reproductive process and associate behavior expression of organism. Event of sexual reproduction after attainment of maturity, all sexually reproducing organisms exhibit event in the process. They have remarkable fundamental similarity, even though the structure associated with sexual reproduction indeed very different. The event of sexual reproduction, though elaborate and complex, follow the regular sequence. Sexual reproduction characterized by fusion or fertilization of male and female gamete, formation of zygote and embryogenesis. For convenience, these sequential events may be grouped into the three distinct stages, namely pre-fertilization, fertilization, and post-fertilization. First, pre-fertilization event. These include all the event of sexual reproduction prior to fusion of gametes. Two main pre-fertilization event, gametogenesis and gamete transfer. First heading, gametogenesis. As you already aware, gametogenesis refer to the formation of two type of gamete, male and female. The gamete are haploid cell. Figure number 1.8, types of gametes. A. Isogamete of cladophora and alga. B. Heterogamy of fucus and alga. C. Heterogamy of the Homo sapiens human beings. In some algae, like two gametes are similar in appearance, that not possible categorize them into male and female. They are called homogamy, isogamy. Majority of sexually reproducing organisms are gamete produce two morphologically distinct type, means heterogametes. In such organism, the male gamete are called anthozoites or sperm, and the female gamete is called egg or ovum. Sexuality in organism. Sexual reproduction in organisms generally involve in fusion of gamete are two different individuals, but this is not always true. From your recollection of example study in class 11th, can you identify in case of self-fertilization is observed? Of course, it is in such example in the plant too easy. Plant have the both male and female reproductive structure in same plant means bisexual. Figure number 1.6 on different plant unisexual. In several fungi and plant term as homothallic and monoecious used to denote the bisexual condition. And heterothallic and dioecious are the term as used to describe the unisexual condition. In flowering plant, unisexual male flower staminate that is bearing stamen while the female flower is pistillate bearing pistil. In some flowering plant, both male and female flower may be present on same individual means monoecious or separate individual means dioecious. Some example of monoecious plant are contribute cucurbits and coconuts, and the dioecious plant are the papaya and date palm. Name of the type of gamete are the form staminate or pistillate flower. But what about animals? Are the individual of all species either male or female unisexual? Are there are species which process both the reproductive organ bisexual? You probably can make a list of several unisexual animal species. Earthworm, sponge, tapeworm, leech, typical example of bisexual animal, possess a both male and female reproductive organ are hermaphrodite. Cockroach is an example of unisexual species. Cell division during gamete formation. Gamete in all the heterogametic species are the two type, male and female gamete. The gamete are haploid though parent plant body which they rise may either haploid or diploid. Haploid parent produce gamete by mitotic division. Does this mean that meiosis never occur in organisms that are haploid? Carefully examine the flow chart of the life cycle of algae that you study in class 11, chapter number 3. Get a suitable answer. Several organisms belong to kingdom. Several organisms belong to Monera, fungi, algae, bryophyta, or haploid plant body. But organisms belong to Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, Angiosperm, and most of the animal, including human being, parental body is diploid. It is obvious meiosis is the reduction division has occurred. Diploid body has produced a haploid gamete. Figure number 1.6, diversity of sexuality in organism. A, bisexual animal earthworm. B, unisexual animal cockroach. C, monoecious plant cara. D, dioecious plant markensia. E, bisexual flower sweet potato. Table number 1.1, chromosome number in meiocyte means diploid means 2n, gamete haploids, and sum of the organism. Fill the blank or the space. First, name of organism, chromosome number in meiocyte 2n, chromosome number in gamete n. Human being, diploid 46, haploid 23. Housefly, diploid 12, haploid 6. Rat, diploid 42, haploid 21. Dog, diploid 78, haploid 39. Cat, diploid 38, haploid 19. Fruit fly, diploid 8, haploid 4. Ophuglasum, diploid 12, 16, diploid 1260, haploid 330. Ophuglasum diploid 1260, haploid 630. Apple diploid 34, haploid 17. Rice diploid 24, haploid 12. Maize diploid 20, haploid 10. Potato diploid 48, haploid 24. Butterfly diploid 380, haploid 190. Onion diploid 16 and haploid 8. In diploid organism, specialized cell, meiocyte gamete mother cell, undergo meiosis. At the end of meiosis, only one set of the get incorporated into gamete. Carefully study table number 1.1 and fill the diploid and haploid chromosome number of organism. Is there of any relationship of the number of chromosome of meiocyte and gametes? Gamete transfer after their formation of male and female gamete must the physically brought together facilitate the fusion fertilization. Have you ever wondered how the gate meet? In a majority of organism, male and female gamete is motile and female gamete is stationary. Exception are the few fungi and algae. The both type of gametes are motile. There is a need of the medium through which the male gamete are moved. In several simple plants like algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, water is the medium through which this gamete transfer takes place. Large number of male gamete, however, fail to reach the female gamete. To compensate this loss of the male gamete during the transport of the number of male gamete produce a several thousand times as the number of female gamete produce. In seed plant, pollen grain in seed plant, pollen grain are the carry the male gamete and ovule have the egg. Male gamete produce a anther, therefore have to transport to the stigma before it can lead to fertilization. In bisexual, self-fertilizing plant, example P, transfer of pollen grain to the stigma is relatively easy. Anther and stigma are located close to each other. Pollen grains soon after they shed come in contact with the stigma, but cross-pollinating plants, including dioecious plant, specialized even are called pollinator or pollination. Facilitate the transfer of pollen grain to the stigma. Pollen grains germinate on stigma and pollen tube carrying the male gamete and reach to the ovule and discharge the male gamete near the egg. In dioecious animal, since the male and female gametes found in the different individual of the organism must evolve a special mechanism for the transfer. Successful transfer and coming together a gamete is essential for the most critical event in sexual reproduction, the fertilization. Figure number 1.7, homogametic contact in algae. B, germinating pollen grain on the stigma of the flower. Fertilization, the most vital event of the sexual reproduction, perhaps fusion of gametes. This process called syngamy resulted into formation of diploid zygote. The term as fertilization is also often used to this process. The term syngamy and fertilization frequently used brought to interchangeably. What would happen if the syngamy does not occur? However, it has the mention here that some of the organism like rotifer, honeybee, even some lizard and bird like turkey, some gametes are undergo development to form a new organism without fertilization. This phenomena is called parthenogenesis. Where does syngamy occur? The most aquatic organisms such as majority of algae and fish as well as amphibia, syngamy occur in external medium or water that is outside the body of organism. This type of gamete fusion is called external fertilization. Organism exhibited external fertilization so great synchrony between the sex and large number of gamete into the surrounding medium water in order to enhance the chance of syngamy. This happened in the bony fish frog where the large number of offspring are the produced. A major disadvantage of that the offspring extremely vulnerable to the predator, threatening their survival up to the adulthood. In many terrestrial organisms belong to fungi, higher animals such as reptiles, bird, mammal. In a majority of plant, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm, syngamy occur inside the body of organism. Hence, the process is called internal fertilization. In all these organisms, egg is formed inside the female body where they fuse with the male gamete. In organism exhibit internal fertilization, the male gamete is motile has to reach the age of the order to fuse it. In this event, through the number of sperm produced in the very large, there it is the significant reduction in number of egg produced. In seed plant, however, non-motile male gamete are carried to the female gamete by pollen tube. Post-fertilization event. Event in sexual reproduction after formation of zygote are called post-fertilization event. Zygote. Formation of diploid zygote is universal in the all sexually reproducing organism. In organism with external fertilization, zygote is formed external medium, usually water, where those exhibiting the internal fertilization, zygote is formed inside the body of organism. Further development of zygote depend on the type of life cycle organism has environmental is exposed to. In organism belong to fungi and algae, zygote develop into thick wall resist to desiccation and damage. It undergo period of the rest before germination. In organism with haplontic life cycle, as you have read in class 11, zygote divide by meiosis to form haploid spore that grow a new haploid individual. Consult your class 11th book and find the what kinds of development take place a zygote in organism with the diplontic and haplontic life cycle. Zygote is the vital link that ensure continuity of species organism of the one generation and next. Every sexually reproducing organism, including human being, life as a single cell, the zygote. Embryogenesis. Embryogenesis refers to the process of development of embryo from the zygote. During the embryogenesis, zygote undergoes cell division, mitosis, cell differentiation, while cell division increase in number of cell and developing embryo. Cell differentiation help to group of the cell undergo certain modification to form specialized tissue organ to form a organism. You have studied about the process of cell division and differentiation in the previous classes. Animals are categorized into oviparous and viviparous based on whether the development of zygote takes place outside the body of the female parents or inside. That is whether they lay fertilized and unfertilized egg to give birth to young ones. In oviparous animal like reptiles, birds, fertilized egg covered by hard calcareous cell are the laid safe place to environments. After period of incubating young ones hatch out. On the other hand, viviparous animal, majority of mammals, including the human beings, zygote develop into embryo, one set inside the body of female organism. After attainment of certain stage of the growth, young ones deliver out of the body of the female organism. Because the proper embryonic care and protection, the chance of survival of the young ones greater in viviparous of organism. In flowering plant, the zygote is formed inside the ovule after fertilization, sepal, petal, stamen of the flower, where fall, pistil, however remain attached to the plants. Zygote develop into the embryo and ovule develop into seed. The ovary develop into fruit, develop thick wall called pericarp that are the protective function. After dispersion, seeds germinate under the favorable condition to produce a new plant. Figure number 1.8, a few kinds of fruit showing a seed and B protecting pericarp. Summary. Reproduction enable the species life generation after generation. Reproduction of organism can broadly classify into asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction does not involve in the fusion of gametes. It is a common organism that have the relatively simple organization, such as fungi, algae, some invertebrate animals. These offspring from asexual reproduction are identical and can be referred to as clone, zoospore, conidia, etc. Most common asexual structure from the survival several algae, fungi, budding, gemule formation are the common asexual method can seen in the lower animals. Prokaryotic and unicellular organisms reproduce asexually by cell division or binary fission of the parent cell. Several aquatic and terrestrial species of angiosperm structure of such runner, rhizome, sucker, tuber, offset, etc. are capable give rise to a new offspring. This method is asexual reproduction is generally referred to as vegetative propagation. Sexual reproduction involved in the formation and fusion of gamete is a complex and slower process as compared to asexual reproduction. Most of the higher animal reproduce almost entirely by sexual method. Event of sexual reproduction may be categorized into the pre-fertilization, fertilization, and post-fertilization. Pre-fertilization event include gametogenesis and gamete transfer, while post-fertilization event include formation of zygote and embryogenesis. Organism may bisexual or unisexual. The sexuality in the plant varied, particularly in angiosperm, due to the production of diverse type of flower. Plant are defined the monoecious and dioecious. Flower may be bisexual or unisexual. Gamete haploid in nature and usually direct to produce a meiotic division, except haploid organism, where gametes are formed by mitosis. Transfer of gamete is an essential and sexual reproduction. It is the relatively easy bisexual organism. In unisexual organism, in unisexual animal, it occur copulation or simultaneously release. Angiosperm, the special process is called pollination, ensure the transfer of pollen grain which carry the pollen grain to the stigma. Syngamy fertilization occur between male and female gamete. Syngamy may occur either externally outside the organism or internally inside the body. Syngamy lead to formation of specialized cell called zygote. The process of development of embryo from the zygote is called embryogenesis. The animal zygote start developing soon after its formation. Animal may either oviparous or viviparous. Embryonal protection in care better viviparous organism. Flowering plants after fertilization ovary develop into fruit and ovule develop into seed. Inside the mature seed, progenitor of the next generation of embryo. In the flowering plant, after fertilization, ovary develop into the fruit and ovule develop into seed. Inside the mature seed, the progenitor of next generation, the embryo.